Welcome. If you want to block virtual reality permissions for the Instagram app on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through every step to ensure your privacy and control over VR features. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Wait for it to load and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look for the three dots at the top of the page. These dots usually appear in the upper right corner of the Instagram window. Click on them to open a drop-down menu with more options. From the drop-down, select App Info. This will take you directly to the settings page for the Instagram app. Here, you'll find various options to manage how Instagram interacts with your device. Now, enter the settings section. Once inside, look for an option labeled More Settings and Permissions. Click on this to access the full list of permissions that Instagram can request or use. Scroll through the permissions until you find the one labeled Virtual Reality. This is the setting that controls whether Instagram can access VR features on your device. To block VR access, choose the block option next to Virtual Reality. This action will immediately prevent Instagram from using any VR capabilities on your PC. You won't receive requests for VR access, and the app won't be able to use those features in the background. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you've taken control over your privacy and stopped Instagram from accessing virtual reality on your computer. If you ever want to change this setting in the future, just repeat these steps and adjust the permission as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who want more control over their Instagram experience. Stay tuned for more straightforward tech tips and enjoy a safer, more private time online.